Boom. What's up, Money Geeks? Mr. V here. Welcome to another video, guys. So in this video, I want us to talk about ticker symbol QS, QuantumScape. So this is a company that we cover here on the channel. They talked about building the next generation electric vehicle battery, which is a solid state battery. So right now, for those of you that don't quite understand the whole system, you have lithium ion batteries, and then you have a solid state battery. So these guys are claiming that they are building the next generation of batteries for electric vehicles. And here are some of the claims that they have, that their batteries will store more energy, will charge faster, has a longer lifespan, it's safer, and costs relatively cheaper than your lithium ion battery. So but there's some news out there about the company being a scam, and that's what I want us to cover in today's video. But before we get started, guys, if you're new to the channel, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. So guys, I've actually covered QuantumScape here on the channel when they announced they're going to go public. So I give you guys a deep dive of the company, again, what they are doing, how they plan on changing the electric vehicle space. And so if you didn't watch those videos, I definitely encourage you to go take a look at those videos. Today, my focus is on this short seller report that came out from Scorpion Capital, and they are blasting QuantumScape. So let's kind of jump here. This is the street with Jim Cramer. And so the company actually said that QuantumScape is a pump and dump spark scam. So again, the short seller company is Scorpion Capital, as you can see right there. So let's just go down again. Let me give you guys some comparison that they put out here, which is really devastating. They compared QuantumScape to Theranos. I mean, they say it makes Theranos looks like amateurs. If you understand the story of Theranos, which is Elizabeth Holmes, I think that's her name, a Stanford dropout that started the company Theranos, explained the fact that she wanted to change the blood testing industry. So she had the technology called nanotubes, where you can just prick your finger and take a little tiny drop of blood just from pricking your finger, and then run over 230 different tests. And so she ran that scheme, and she was worth, I think, the company was worth like $9 billion at one point. But finally, the whole thing unraveled because it was a scam. So they are comparing this company, QuantumScape, to that particular Theranos company. So again, if you can see, if we go back here is a report that they actually put out. So a very detailed report. Again, you can see a pump and dump spark scam by Silicon Valley celebrities that make Theranos look like amateurs. That is crazy. So, I mean, this is like a blow. So again, if you look at the company here, these guys, Scorpion Capital, did an excellent job, went step by step, analyze everything, pick apart some of the comments made by the CEO on CNBC, and just went through. So I'm going to link this in the description so you guys can definitely go read it for yourself. I'm not going to try to read this for you, but definitely go check it out. But again, if you understand how all these different short seller reports do operate, the whole idea is that they beat the price of the stock down. When they put out this report, the price of the stock is going to go down, and then they would sell the stock up there and turn to buy it at the bottom. So they're not just doing it to do us a favor, but they're doing it because it benefits them too. So they're calling QuantumScape fraud. When I looked at QuantumScape and I wanted to invest in the company, I said this is a very risky investment because this is only a concept. They haven't proven themselves. They haven't proven anything just yet. So when you're buying a concept, this concept might work or might not work. And you guys, they're even telling us that the production is not going to start until like 2025. So they still have a long ways to go to try to figure out this. And they're working with they have investors like Volkswagen that just give them, I think, $100 million because they met a certain milestone in their research process. And so, if those companies are pumping money into QuantumScape, if they're blindly pumping that money, and then it's up to them. But you have investors like myself and some of you out there that also have money in this company. So you want to be aware of this. To me, I'm taking the risk because I'm saying this is a high risk, high reward kind of scenario. So that's why I'm buying the dip in this company. So I don't know about you guys, but for me, I see the dip as an opportunity to buy more and build a solid position, because again, if this thing goes through, and then it would be a tremendous amount of returns for me. So when I was doing this video, again, this is just the 1-day chart when the report came out. So you can see here when the report came out, QuantumScape dropped almost almost 15% because of that, before squeezing back after hours to a high of about 36. So they went down to a low of about 34, and then squeezed back up. So the report didn't really impact the stock that much. But just to give you guys some context where the stock is trading right now and where the stock has been, let's just go back to the 6-month chart here. This stock actually had a taste of 131, close to $132 a share before pulling back. Look at that huge drop there back in January. Before now, just kind of consolidating, and kept dropping and dropping, and now sitting at this $35 price point. So again, it's an opportunity for you to open up a position, but at the same time, you have to be very careful, because with companies like this, if we saw what happened with Theranos, a lot of companies, Walgreens and all these guys invested. I think it was CBS and all these companies invested in Theranos, and then it turned out to be a fraud. None of those companies saw it coming. So again, we could sit here and thinking that QuantumScape is this ideal company, but they could also be a fraudulent company. I acknowledge that, and I'm ready to take the risk, because if it turns out that the technology really comes out and work the way they say it's going to work, this is going to be a game changing for the electric vehicle space, and this company is going to skyrocket. So that's the reason I'm taking. So again, let me know in the comment section what you think about this. I know short sellers, again, some of them are just out there just to make money, and they'll write any kind of report. But I think the report here was pretty detailed, pointing out certain things, but you can nitpick every comment or whatever. It's going out there for a company that has no product, is still working on research and development of their product. So you can definitely read it and see if there's anything in there that makes you not want to buy the stock, or makes you want to sell every share that you have. So definitely go check them out, and let me know what you guys think. If you're new to the channel, guys, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. Also, if you are looking to get started with investing, guys, WeBull has their promotion where if you sign up and deposit $100, you get some free stocks. Links in the description below. And as always, do your due diligence. Don't be a greedy savage, and stay motivated.